Hi, I'm Jolene Rulosa. I'm founder of Fluence Africa and also the Fluence Africa Influencer Festival.
When they suggest you for campaigns, is your engagement rate? Brands will also say, I don't want to work with micros, I want to work with nanos.
It's our second year of the festival, and I must say I am loving the turnout, loving the buzz. We've had about 250 plus people attend today, creators who wanted to learn more, wanted to be more empowered, hosted a couple of masterclasses for the various platforms. And then we've of course got our content hub, which is all about creating a space for creators to shoot lifestyle imagery, connecting them to brands, and then also connecting them with the quality videographers and photographers. So yeah, it's a day all about creating. You learn what you can in the masterclass and you come down to the hub and you apply it.
So who here uses Instagram, Habeni? Hey Fluence Africa community, my name is Samkem Shongo, the founder of Twa Community, and I was on a panel today talking about monetization on social media platforms.
And I'm Pierre Casuto from Humans, live from Fluence Africa, the second edition of the festival. And what a festival it's been.
The Chief Marketing Officer at Humans, and I conduct business here in South Africa, but also in Turkey, Israel, US, Brazil. And I choose to live here in South Africa.
My top 5 takeaways that I would give to someone who couldn't attend today is: number 1, know your niche, what it is that you are delivering to your community. Number 2, know exactly how you're going to monetize. Number 3, be clear on your marketing strategy. Number 4, what is it that makes you unique? And number 5, know the technology you need to use, because it's not just about social media. You need newsletters, you need chatbots, you need automation. So have those in mind when you start out your journey on social media. Pierre, what would you say are your key takeaways?
My key takeaways is that influencer marketing in South Africa is maturing, it's growing really, really fast, and brands better watch out because influencers are getting clued up. They know what they're worth, they know how to charge, and the advice they got today is going to take us to the next level.